Hey guys, it's Alyssa Harper, and for this presentation, we will be taking a look at MakeBeliefsComics.com. This website is a great way to get creative with any lesson you want to teach, and it also guarantees your students to get engaged. You can also have the students create their own comic strips to assess their understanding of the materials that you taught. This website also allows you to create comic strips, printables, and even greeting cards. So now we are going to take a look at how easy it is to create a comic strip. All you're going to do is you're going to press Create Your Comics Now, and then you will see a row of blank panels. Now, it already has the first panel highlighted. So what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down, and you're going to see all these different types of things that you can add to your comic strip. So we're going to start with the background, and they have a variety of different backgrounds to choose from. So we're going to pick one that has to do with history, since that is what I want to teach. So we're going to go with this one. Now, they have it a little off center, so what we're going to do is we're going to press move, and then we're going to drag it down to where we can see the top of the building. Now we're going to go back and we're going to add a person. There are 3 different types of people you can add. The digital enthusiasts, which are people who, of all ages, that have a different type of device with them. They're the people that are called Give Me Words. They look like they are turned to the side and whispering to each other. And then there are just the regular characters. For this section, we're just going to do a regular character. And like with the backgrounds, they have a variety of different characters to choose from. So we're going to try to find one that fits our theme of history. So we're going to scroll all the way down until we find one. And there he is. There's one that looks like Abraham Lincoln. Now when you click on the character that you want, you're going to see that they have a variety of different poses. It's typically around 4 poses that you can choose from. So we're going to do this one that looks like he's talking. So he looks a little big to be in the frame, so we're going to click on him and we're going to move him over, and we're going to do scale. And when you click on scale, then you click on the person that you want to scale down. You can either scale him up or you can scale him down to fit him in the frame better. Once that is done, you click on move again and you're able to place him somewhere else. So if we say you wanted to add another character, let's have Abraham Lincoln talking to a mummy. Now this mummy only has 2 poses. So we're going to have Abraham Lincoln talking to the dancing mummy. So we're going to put him over here, and we're going to scale him down just a little bit as well to make sure he fits. So there he is, and so we're going to move him again. And now Abraham Lincoln is going to be talking to the mummy. So we're going to go back and we're going to try to find some thought bubbles or some speaking bubbles. And here they are under balloons and prompts. Now, there are different sizes of speak bubbles and different sizes of thought bubbles. There are also the transition bubbles. So we're going to add a short one right here. And all you have to do is click on it and then you can type. So we're going to say, welcome to the Cool Tools presentation. Okay, and once you're done, you're going to click somewhere else on the screen, and you're going to click Move. Now, we're going to put this right behind Abraham Lincoln's head. Now, you see how his head is not there anymore. Well, now what you're going to do is you're going to click Bring to Front, and then you're going to click on Abraham Lincoln, and now he is in front of the thought bubble. So, the only downside about these thought bubbles is that they are not adjustable, which means you can't type as many words as you want to on the screen because eventually they're just going to cut off, and you'll have to add another bubble on top of that. You also cannot fully customize this to make it your own because you can't upload your own pictures and you can't upload any backgrounds that you would want to use. So you're really stuck with using what they have provided you. And they've provided you a great deal of things to choose from. Although it does have its downsides, this website is a great way to have fun with the lessons that you're going to be teaching your students. I hope this has been informative and have a great day.